Okay guys, quick update with Bitcoin. So I saw on my previous video, people were saying that I was wrong and Bitcoin crashed upwards. Guys, if you've been following what I said, I gave you two possible scenarios. Either we're in a descending channel or an ascending channel. Right now, we're at the top of a possible ascending channel, which would be a point to short. If we get above this point, then I was wrong. Let me be more specific. If we get above this point and hold, then I was wrong. So we're going to cover all of that. Guys, when we get leverage trading, three exchanges I trust and use are BingX, BitGet, and CoinCatch. CoinCatch is a great option as they have no KYC, so jump on that while you can. If you want to sign up, all those links are pinned in the first comment description. If you want to learn how to trade on BitGet, this is a tutorial video I put out showing you how to open long, short, stop loss, all of that. All of these exchanges have demo mode. You can trade fake money, so just give them a try and see how well you do or how much you would have lost. I'll link up this video now if you want to check it out. So guys, the last video, this one here, says Bitcoin crash coming soon. I hope you're prepared. In this very same video, I'll put a link up to it now. I gave you two scenarios. One would get rejected and be at 43,300. This would be a descending channel. The very same video right here, I gave you your other scenario is that we get stuck in these white trend lines, which would be an ascending channel, which means we could push up. We could even drop down and push up, test it again. The video before that, Bitcoin testing critical resistance. The last 5 videos I talked about this. I'll link up this video now if you want to check it out. I showed you clearly we could push right back up, test this white line, get rejected, and come down. And in that same video, I told you what your upside target was, 44,300, where I have the price label here. Remember, this is an upward angle. And in Discord, it said the same thing. Looks like 43.3K is our current resistance level. Indices are up, FYI, indices up. Typically, Bitcoin pushes up as well. Again, if we get above and hold, then we're headed to 44K area. So our resistance was 43.3K. We got a slight rejection. We came down and held support at 42,865. And then price pushed up, so at critical resistance now. And I'm saying it here, just like on the video. If we get above that, then I was wrong. We hit that point and we got rejected. We're testing that point right now. So again, am I wrong? Well, we'll see. But I just want to make it clear why this is such an important level. This was previous support, right? Flipped as resistance. And notice we got a perfect rejection right here. We're at a critical resistance level. If we get above this point, well, our previous support, which should be resistance, if that flips as support again, guys, that's very bullish. That means we have a lot more upside. Until then, this could just be the channel that I was telling you guys we could be in and come back down and test this and possibly push up one more time. Either way, this was in my last 5 videos. Go back and watch, guys. But there is a possibility, while 44,400 is your current resistance, and yes, I would be short with a stop above this point, that does not mean we could not get some crazy wick up to 45K. I would pay attention to the daily. I would think a daily open above 44,400 would be bullish. But if we got a wick up to, let's say, 45K and it came right back down, then that's just to stop out shorts, and that is a possibility as well. But your strongest resistance above is 45K. But I just want you to understand why I said that 44,400 is a very strong resistance level. And it's just based on this channel right here. So those that are saying I was wrong, well, we're about to find out. If we get above this price label here and hold, then I was wrong. But I would be short from here with a stop above. And again, price could push all the way up to 45K. If you want to risk and wait and see if that happens, that's fine. I can tell you that if the next daily candle opens above 44,400, that could be bullish. But keep in mind also, guys, while Bitcoin's been pushing up, at least the Dow has just been going sideways. We have not pushed above 38,800. We could continue to chop and go sideways. That's why I'm not going to get bullish on Bitcoin yet, at least, and not until we get above this resistance and hold, until we see the Dow break out. And typically the indices fall together, but it looks like we're pretty much topped with the indices, and I think this is just a short squeeze, and I do believe that we are in this channel here. Again, something like this. So we'll find out soon enough. Get above 44,400, get bullish. Then the next video I have to say I was wrong, guys. If you do want to sign up, get access to charts, website is optimalcrypto.com. Links pinned in the first comment description. Make sure you email me through the website if you want access to the Discord. And you can't pay with USDT, but you need to email me through the website to do that. And again, guys, if you want to trade, you can get leverage trading, BingX, BitGet, CoinCatch, 2 exchanges I trust and use. Those links to sign up are pinned in the first comment description. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.